Bratan's very important video about what is happening with Bitcoin right now. Let's go straight into the charts. I told you be very careful with this, something like a bull flag. I told you it will go down, and this big candle which you see, all the liquidation which are farting in my face, right, also from our community, get now liquidated. You see, I told you don't go right now in a long position, but now be very careful. I am in a profit right now, $225. I was 600 in profit. I took some profits. I took some chips from the table because I tell you exactly why. I think it could be. Let's go watch on the just a moment. Let's watch the Wyckoff accumulation phase 1, which we are right now have an eye on. And I told you we see a small dump, and after we could see a small pump, but then we see in this all in the immediate short term a huge dump. And I'm still on this opinion. Why I took some chips from the table? I tell you guys, because we see here on the 4-hourly, and the higher the time frame, the more is it likely to happen, right? We see here a hidden bullish divergence. You see RSI is going down and the price is going up. You see this? And I show you exactly that because you that you're not confused. You see a bullish divergence. A bullish divergence. You always, just a moment, you always measure it down, right? Below. So a hidden divergence is if the price is rising, but the RSI, you see it in red, is dumping, right? So this is what we exactly see here. The price rising, but the RSI is sinking. Again, hidden divergence, bullish, you measure from downside, right? Price is up, but the RSI is down. So because of that fact, and because that we see bullish divergence, and also because of the fact that according to the Wyckoff accumulation pattern 1, we will see a new higher high, and this is what we see exactly here, right? A new higher high, which would be approximately at 41,555, because I think approximate 41, it's not exactly, but approximate 41,500, because we see here a huge resistance, which was previous support. You see here, support, which is then a resistance. And also, if I'm drawing this line, look at this. We see here support, and now this candle, this bullish divergence will be how it called not invalid if we see the price here, this candle body and the wick will close, this 4-hourly will close below 36,500. If we close below 36,500, then this whole bullish divergence will be invalid, right? So watch out here. I took some profits because I closed not my trade. I took some profits because I'm expecting that we could see small pump right now, right? Because whales, I want just everyone liquidated who is now too much bullish, and then make a small pump, right? So please be here very careful. If the candle closes above this support line, right, which would be approximately 37,700, 37,800, then I am expecting that we are going in the immediate short-term small pump, and after it a heavily dump, because here, guys, watch the whole YouTube scene. It's very bullish, and you all get wrecked, man. I told you they shit in your face, man. And even from my community, they shit in front of my door and laughing at me and spitting at me because they said it will not dump. But here, they told me I will be liquidated. But now you are liquidated, guys, who are not with me. So please hear and watch the videos, and don't get the shit in your mouth. I think it could be very careful if we don't close if we close below 36,650 approximately, below, then this whole bullish divergence will be invalid, right? Then we can go further short, and the next stop will be approximately at 35,500, right? And then the next stop 33,000. But if this candle will close above 37,600 approximately, then we see this pump. Okay, you understand? You hear me out, right? Okay, guys. So please be very careful right now, very, very careful. If I see here a dump, I add even more chips to the short position. If not, I let my short open, and maybe we go here up, and I add even more to my short position, and then I make my gains, right? So if you want to trade, guys, very important right now, very important for you. If you want to trade, here you have I have for you a bonus, $8,200 for free after initial deposit. Bybit and Phoenix. This is the first comment which is pinned, the only one comment which I pinned. 8,200 for free, guys, after initial deposit, right? Go, it's 1 minute registration. It's an affiliate link, so it's a win-win situation. If you are not professional trader, you can claim your bonus 8,200 after initial deposit, and then you can just buy through spot, right? So, guys, now I promise you that I make a TA on your favorite coin, right? And we have here, somebody wrote, Basil wrote, please do a TA on Polkadot. So, guys, you know, I love you. You're my community. And I will take my professional trader glass on. And now I'm going to see what is happening with Polkadot. So, I prepared for sure. Because I don't want to waste your time, guys. So now if we are going on the weekly, and I am really heavily invested in Polkadot still I didn't sold anything because it's not a financial advice. You have to do your own research, but I'm heavily invested in this project. So guys, what we see here a weekly support line which is over a year old, right? Even 1.5 years. You see here huge support, and now we are bouncing from here. And it looks very good. It looks very good. If Bitcoin will even fall to 30,000, I don't think that we will close a weekly below this support line. If we close a weekly below the support line, this would be very bad for us because we go even to $10. The next support will be at $10, right? But I think because in the midterm, I say to you, Bitcoin will be bullish, in my opinion. And I told you also why. If you want again me to tell me why, I can tell you. But quickly, I say to you, because of the Wyckoff logic, right? We are right now in the phase 1 Wyckoff accumulation, right? And we are expecting a few weeks or even months a pump, right, to the phase 2, right? So if you want that I explain you again, I explained it 3-4 days ago. Tell me, I will explain it again. So I think it could be that we are bottoming out right now here. Yes, there will be a little ups and downs depending on the Bitcoin price, but I think this could be the bottom. Yes, approximately 15, maybe we go even to 14 a small week, right? But I don't think that we go below. So in my opinion, do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. So what I'm expecting, if we are going right now on the bull run again, at least, guys, I'm expecting the previous top, right? The ecosystem of Polkadot is huge. This is a very nice project. I love this project, guys. So 56 at least, $56, the previous high. Or even we go in a bull run, I'm sure, in my opinion, I'm sure, 1.618, $85. For me personally, is Polkadot no-brainer, guys. I'm also invested in. So the downside which I see is the risk or downside. I see, yes, maybe to it's 43% downside. Yes, if we are going right now in the bear market. Yes. 46.50, maybe a little bit even more, yes, maybe even 66, but the upside is 340%. So I am still invested in this project, and I will keep accumulating this Polkadot project because it's a huge project in my opinion. And yes, But do your own research. This is my opinion, guys. I hope I could help you guys. If you want also buy Polkadot, for example, link down below, 8,200 in bonus. Make a registration 1 minute after initial deposit. You get your bonus at 8,200. So 4,100 per 4,100, for example, on Bybit, right? So links down below. The first comment which is pinned. Guys, so please be very, very careful right now with Bitcoin, because the whales are prepared. You know what they're doing. So yes, I told you what I did with my positions. Be very careful. We see, and exactly like I said to you guys today, we saw a dump in the S&P 500, and also we see S&P 500 dump 1.5%, Bitcoin dump 3%, right? But be very, very cautious right now. I told you what you have to watch, right? I tell you again, guys. This is all I do for you, and I want to see smashing the fucking like button, guys, and appreciate what I'm doing here. So, if we are closing below this previous low, right? Below 36,600, below, then this bullish divergence will be invalid, and then we see further dump. If we are closing above this line, which would be approximately 37,650, right, and bouncing further on this support line, we will see the small pump to approximately 41,500, because there's the next support, maybe 42. It's an area, right? But then after, in the immediate short term, I'm expecting huge dump below the previous bottom. Why? Why I'm expecting again? Because then we are proven that we are in the phase B, and phase B in the accumulation, Wyckoff accumulation phase 1 means we are creating a new lower low, a new bottom, right? And this is under the previous SC point, we're creating new ST point, right? And which is below the previous low, right? So, what's happening? Okay, you understand me, guys, right? So, okay, if you have any questions, and which coin should I do your favorite, and which your favorite coin should I do at TA, guys, write it down below. Also smash the like button and subscribe and hit the bell button and share. Please share this video, because everyone, the whole YouTube was bullish, and now the most of the people get wrecked. And this, you see this huge 4-hourly red candle. Only I'm the only one which is took the whole spitting, shitting, pissing at my face and told you guys we will see a dump. So guys, I see you tomorrow. Mwah.